Hi folks, I'm Bob VanDolder from VanDolder's Kitchen and Bath, and today I'm going to show you how to install a soft close plunger. And I'll show you what that does. Actually it has to do with eliminating the door slam. So to start, take your door off. And this is the device that we're going to install on the side of the cabinet. So I'll start by getting a straight edge. And line your straight edge even with the center of the holes where the shelf clips go in the cabinet. I've already taken the shelf out of the cabinet here. And just draw a line down because we're in line with these holes. After that's done, take your plunger, and there's two holes here in the plunger, and put the plunger over top of the line that you've drawn, and just mark two holes. And this has been previously drilled, but you need a small drill just as a pilot hole because you're going to use a 1/2 inch screw to install this. So you know, be careful not to drill all the way through the cabinet. Then take your soft close plunger and simply screw it into the side of the cabinet. There, that's done. Then take the door there, that's a lot better. Now, because cabinet doors fluctuate in width from 9 to 24 inches, they also fluctuate in weight. So this is adjustable for the heavier doors, and you can also adjust the speed at which this closes at, as you can see. And that plunger will work for any size door. And now you've eliminated the slam.